Hi friends, good evening, not good morning, but it is good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the diazonium salt. Myself Veji sir, I welcome all of you. Uh, what is the diazonium salt and what is its general formula and how it is prepared? Let's discuss. So common formula of diazonium salt is Ar N2 and X. In your book there is written Rn2X. R means alkyl, but we are writing Ar, aryl N2X. It is the common formula of diazonium salt. How can we give the nomenclature of diazonium salt? So diazonium suffix is attached to parent hydrocarbon and then salt nomenclature is given. Suppose we are having ArN2Cl, then benzene diazonium chloride. If we are having ArN2HBF4 or BF4, then benzene diazonium fluoroborate. If we are having ArN2Br, then it is benzene diazonium bromide. So this is the sequence of nomenclature of diazonium chloride. Now we will compare aryl diazonium chloride and alkyl diazonium chloride. So alkyl diazonium chloride means Rn2Cl or N2X, and aryl diazonium salt is ArN2X. Alkyl diazonium salt is unstable, while aryl diazonium salt is stable but in very short period. When aryl diazonium salt is prepared, freshly prepared diazonium salt is immediately used to prepare another product because it cannot kept long time in laboratory, while in alkyl diazonium salt is totally unstable, even we cannot prepare in laboratory. So what is the reason behind the aryl diazonium salt is stable? Because benzene diazonium ion having resonance structure. As resonance structure is possible in aryl diazonium ion, so that it has stability. So let's draw the aryl diazonium structure and its resonance form to be understood why it is stable. So now we are having structure of aryl diazonium and its resonance structure we are going to draw, and kindly attention, kindly try to understand what I am going to say. So this is benzene diazonium salt. Here is N, here is triple bond, here is N, here is non-bonding electron pair, and it is 3 bond. Now you just try to understand this sequence. Nitrogen will plus. Nitrogen having 3 valency to form 3 bond. Nitrogen having 1 lone pair. So this is clear. This nitrogen having 3 valency, that is used in 3 bond, and lone pair electron is used to form with the benzene ring. So nitrogen has given its 2 electron to form the sigma bond, so nitrogen is plus ion. This is the explanation of bond formation with benzene ring and diazonium. N2 is diazonium. Now this having its resonance structure, so what will happen? So this bond will convert into electron and this bond will convert into double bond with nitrogen. Kindly hear my words. This bond will convert into electron and this bond will convert into bond format. So we are having this resonance structure. Benzene ring having double bond, here will be N, here will be double bond, here will be 4 electron, this will minus and this will plus. And now this bond is converted into this bond, so bond electron is left from this place, this ortho place will become plus and these two bond will as it is. Repeating again, this bond convert into this double bond, so here will be plus charge and this bond will convert into electron, so this is 4 electron, here is 2 electron. This nitrogen has got electron, bond electron, so this nitrogen will become minus and this is also plus. Now what will happen? Again, then this again another resonance structure will what? Then this bond will transfer over here. So here will be plus charge. Above part will be remain as it is. This bond will transfer over here and this bond will as it is and here will be plus charge. Then another structure, resonance structure is again upper part will remain as it is. So double bond, nitrogen plus double bond, 4 electron minus, then this bond will remain as it is and this bond will transfer over here. So here will be bond and here will be plus charge. So this is the resonance structure of benzene diazonium ion, and due to benzene diazonium resonance structure, stability of benzene diazonium salt is higher than, or aryl diazonium salt is higher than alkyl diazonium salt. So now it is clear, there is resonance structure, we have drawn 4 resonance structure, we have cleared. Alkyl having not any resonance structure, if resonance structure is available, it is in sequence of more, then there will be higher stability compared to alkyl group. Now we are going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride. We have already prepared in earlier topic, but again we are going to prepare as per topic given in your textbook. So preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. This is clear now. Preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. Preparation of benzene diazonium chloride. From primary amine means benzene amine. This is aniline. Aniline will react with nitrous acid HNO2. HNO2 is prepared by sodium nitrite NaNO2 plus 2 HCl. This will prepare a nitrous acid, and now we are to having equation balance, then we must make NaCl and we must make 2H2O. Then we are having benzene diazonium chloride. This is N2Cl. Let's discuss how it is balance equation. So one N is as it is, another N will attach. So this is N2. One Cl will attach in place of two hydrogen. So it is N2Cl clear. Two hydrogen is over here. Two hydrogen is over here. So it is 4 hydrogen, N2 oxygen means 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen means minus 2 HCl. 2 Cl from 1 Cl is used over here, 1 Cl is remain, will react with Na, so minus NaCl. Now equation is balanced. In your book, 2 HCl is not given. But to make equation balanced, we must use 2 HCl. So this is the preparation of benzene diazonium salt, and reaction is called diazotation or diazotation reaction. And it is known as also Sandmeyer reaction. We are having Gattermann reaction also, and we are having Sandmeyer reaction also. Sandmeyer reaction is more useful and more stable than Gattermann reaction. So now we are having some physical property of benzene diazonium chloride, which is explained in your textbook. Let's discuss. Then physical property of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is colorless, solid and crystalline substance. It is soluble in water and stable in cold water. But when it gets heat, it reacts with water. If it is cold water, then it is stable. But when water is given heat, then it reacts with water. Same way, benzene diazonium fluoroborate is insoluble in water and stable at room temperature. So this explanation is given in your textbook. Now we are having some reaction, replacement of dinitrogen and retention of diazonium group. There are two types of reactions are given. Reactions of displacement of nitrogen gas and reaction involving retention of diazonium group. So we are having first reaction, displacement of nitrogen gas by halide and by cyanide, even by iodide. Halide means also iodide. So there are two reactions. Cuprous chloride is used, one reaction, and another reaction, copper powder is used. Reactions are approximately same, but there is little bit difference to perform its formula. So we are having now displacement of nitrogen gas by halide. So we are having some reaction, displacement of nitrogen gas